Hey guys, it's David Wynn. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys about a quick update with Commission Hero. I had a couple struggles through Facebook accounts getting closed and things like that, but I used the materials and I was able to get my account back. So day one of Commission Hero, I was able to get when I started my ads. You want to warm up your accounts first, right? When you first get started. But when I actually started launching my campaigns, I was able to get some sales right away. I'm talking 100, I think it was $180. The next day was 200 something bucks. So the moment you guys get in, you gotta warm up your accounts, learn everything in the program, then take advantage of it so that you can scale your business. You don't want to be getting your account closed. You don't want to deal with all that drama. You want to take it slow. Robbie Blatchard, he was #1 person in ClickBank, teaches you how to scale the business, starting from making one sale to multiple sales. You're gonna go from $100 to $200 to $300. Right now, Matt, I woke up this morning with $300 something in sales, right? The night's still young. So I'm slowly building the brand, and there's gonna be days that you get no sales. There's gonna be days that you get plenty of sales. So it's all about scaling the right ads that work for you and then growing the business. So if you guys are wondering, should I get into Commission Hero? I say 100% yes, right? You gotta still use your mind. You still gotta use your brain power. You still gotta put in the work of research, right? You're gonna learn. Watch the course, then watch the course again, then take action. You gotta apply what you learn, then you can build a business. So I just got started. It's only about a month, right? A little bit over a month, and I'm learning the tricks of the trade. 200 something, $300 days is nice. So I'm looking at how do I get to that point to keep implementing what I learned and get it to $1,000 a day that Robbie's able to accomplish, right? Or maybe to the $2,000-$3,000. But it takes patience. It's not going to happen overnight. So make sure that you put the work in, the time in, and dedicate yourself to learning, right? And you gotta put that money that you gotta put that money towards ad spend so that you're getting the numbers. So you're getting the data so that you can target the right people with these ads. If you're wondering what a Commission Hero is, it's an online training learning you how to utilize things like ClickBank, MaxWeb, other programs as well, that you can sell other people's products, high quality products, and you get the commission, right? So there's no after sales service involved, anything like that. You can also promote Commission Hero itself and make a profit as well. So that's just a quick update for you guys. I'm at GrowthCon 4 right now, and learning from Grant Cardone, various other speakers. It's been a wild ride today. Learned so much and made a lot of nice new connections. But you got to invest your money into new things that's going to take your life to a totally different